Welcome to the channel, guys. Today we're going to go in great detail and talk about how you can actually target individuals and do targeting dropshipping. Now, the first thing that you need to do is head over to a platform called Shopify.com. This is a global commerce platform, and the word that we're going to emphasize today is global. Because remember, guys, that you can be sitting anywhere in the globe and be able to access every single location on earth. But how do you make sure that you get the right product to the right individuals to ensure that you can increase your sales and provide the right service and product to those individuals? That is what we're going to be talking about today. But the first thing that you need to do is understand the capacity of Shopify.com. Now, Shopify is where you can build your business to sell online, offline, and everywhere in between. And you can discover the reason why millions of entrepreneurs have chosen Shopify to build their business. With millions of merchants worldwide in representation in 170 countries and a global economic activity of $444 billion and a total US e-commerce of 10% that is done just on Shopify.com. Now, the best thing that I personally feel with Shopify is the fact that you can build an online storefront and bring your vision to life with a simple drag and drop store creator. There's no coding expertise required, just your next big idea. You can select from customizable templates that are created by a community of world-class designers. You can add more features and functionalities to your online stores with the apps that are built by trusted Shopify developers. You can sell online, in person, and around the world with the marketing tools, social integrations, and sales channels that you need to get your product in front of customers. And more than that, you can back your business with ShopPay, the one-click checkout that's built to convert, and a point-of-sale system that allows customers to shop their way from online to the checkout line. You can find new shoppers with the SEO, social media, and content marketing tools to help you reach customers where they are, and build custom email campaigns and set automations to serve every segment, and connect with customers on the go with the integrated messaging tools, and take control of your customers' data to build custom audiences and explore the customer insights that drive ongoing growth. You can even streamline your back office and manage inventory and track payments and view real-time business insights all in one place, so you can focus on building your business and get your products where they need to be with the integrated inventory management, streamlined returns, and a dedicated shipping and fulfillment network. And you can manage your business's finance all from one place with money management and flexible funding that is designed with entrepreneurs in mind. Now, if you don't have an account on Shopify, just click the start free trial and answer a couple of questions. Once you've done it, head over to this website, which is called geotargetly.com. Now, global brands use geotargeting to increase conversion. So that literally means that geotargeting helps maximize website conversions by geotargeting your audience and easily deploying location-based website redirects, links, content pops up, and so much more. So imagine if you're in the United States and you're sitting over there and you open a website on your Shopify that you've made. Now, instead of showing a product that you'll be selling to someone in Australia, the website will show products that are based in the actual country. So they will show the products in the United States. So there's a higher chance that the individuals that has come to your website and sees products related to their country would be willing to buy products related to their country. Now, imagine they're in winter right now. Now, in the winter time over here, it's going to be snowing, but at the same time in Australia, it's going to be sunny. So no one's going to buy a hoodie over here and no one's going to buy some beachwear over here. So when they come to your website from Australia, instead of showing them hoodies and mufflers and sweaters and gloves, they're going to be showing them beachwear. But if they come from the United States or Canada for that matter, they would be showing winter apparels for them. So you can easily try it for 14 days for completely free and see if it works. It has been used by multi-regional brands worldwide. It could be Coursera or Udemy for that matter. This is an all-in-one geotargeting platform, a suite of powerful tools to geotarget your audience, guys, and redirect your audience to location-specific pages. A must-have set of tools for any multi-location or multilingual business incorporating location-specific pages or website variants. You got geo-redirection that redirects your visitors to location-specific pages or websites. You can create a short URL to built-in geo-redirection capabilities and block unwanted visitors visitors from accessing your website by redirecting them away. At the same time, you can show visitors only location relevant content, and having the landing pages with an audience from multiple geolocations. You can maximize conversions by showing location relevant content, from geo content to geo pop-ups to geo announcement bars. You can display a sleek notification bar with a geo-targeting message and a call to action button. You can use the geolocation data for advanced customization. And remember guys, one of the major things that I always mention to individuals that want to get into the dropshipping business is to make sure that they understand that this is a multi-faced niche that has a lot of different strategies. So the strategy for marketing, for operations, for execution is going to be different for the United States. It's going to be different from Canada. It's going to be different from China. It's going to be different from the European countries, and it's going to be different from Australia or for South Africa or Argentina for that matter. You get the visitor geolocation data such as country, state, and city directly into your website and carry out advanced customization such as form autofilling with location data, map centering, and so much more. And you can get visitor country site data and personalization and deploy and execute the JavaScript code variation based on the visitor's geolocation. And you can take advantage of the geo-targeting by boosting visitor experience, increasing audience trust, and skyrocketing conversions. A geo-targeting platform that is simply yet very powerful. And it's quite easy guys, because you can use the advanced location segmentations and get the geo-targeting by including or excluding countries, states, altitudes, longitudes, radius zones, and IP addresses. Furthermore, with a flexible rule management, you can easily add multiple rules to target various geolocation segments. You can edit, delete, copy, display, disable rules without touching any code whatsoever. And an easy in-win JavaScript code integration is available, and you can integrate the geo-targeting with your website using their one-time installed JavaScript code snippet. It's simple and straightforward. Over 10 billion total events have been processed. There's 99.9% server time, and they've geo-personalized events per month of 500 million plus guys. A globally distributed infrastructure over 10 different regions, and by powering geo-personalization for 200,000 plus small to medium businesses and enterprises, so you can stay one step ahead of your competition and understand how this works. Now, once you've done all of that, what you need to do is head over to the pricing. Once you click on pricing, you'll be able to see what this is going to cost you. Every single plan comes with access to all products or use on an unlimited domain. Now you have monthly or yearly. You got different yearly pages counts that are available. Now you can easily check out that you have the developers, you have the startups, the growth, the business, and the high traffic, as well as the enterprises. Now this is billed $9 per month if you go for the yearly and save 20%. If the startup is $19, the growth is $39, the business is $79, and the high traffic is $159 per month billed yearly, and the enterprise is $279. If you pay monthly, you'll be able to pay a little bit more. It's going to be $12, $24, but the monthly code is going to be 500,000 page views per month. And as you can clearly see, that is a difference available. You have to pay 20% more, but my recommendation to anyone that is interested is to make sure that they actually get and select the one in the start, which could be the beginner one, the developer ones, or the growth one. And as their business grows, they can always upgrade later on. Now, all the plans come with the country, state, and site targeting, with a radius targeting and enterprise geo IP accuracy with low latency global servers and a segment analysis, as well as an upgrade anytime and an invite teammates. And you can obviously get the unlimited location targets as well. You can start your 14-day free trial and pick up plan later if you want to. It's quite simple and straightforward, guys. All you need to do is actually click on try the 14-day free trial. Now, guys, before you do any of those things, I would recommend for you to scroll right to the bottom of this page where you'll see something which is very important. That my recommendation is for you to go through it in a quite intent manner, which is the privacy policy. If you click on the privacy policy, you'll be able to read the information that's on the privacy policy, because right now you'll be giving authorization to this platform to actually get full information about what is going on to your website, who's coming and where they're coming from, what are they buying, and giving you all these data. So you want to make sure that you understand your legal rights in regards to geo-targeting. So if you have any questions, guys, whatsoever in regards to any of these videos, you can always ask me in the comment section down below, and I'll be more than happy to help you, support you, guide you, assist you in whatever manner possible. But please, guys, make sure that that you understand what your rights are, go through the terms and conditions and the privacy policy and any disclaimers that are available before you buy this particular product. Now guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, guys, do subscribe to the channel and do not forget to press the bell icon. Share this video with your friends and with your family on your social media so more people can find out how they can actually target and actually get the right product and service in front of the right people in the right country the right way. So stay tuned for our next video. Until then, take care.